I am so excited. I got my Fashionista The Box. Do you want to see what's in it? Stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. I will be starting my filming back in Arizona next week, so I'm pretty excited about that. So look forward to those cactus trees and palm trees that I have in my yard. So, it's actually Fashionsta. I don't know how to say it. I keep saying Fashionista, but it's not. It's Fashionsta. I don't know. But anyway, with the shipping, it comes to about $19.99 a month. So worth it. I will leave the link below, so if this is something that you're interested in, you can check it out. So this is my second or third box. I think this is my third box. I can't remember. But fantastic products in there. So you open it up and it says, warning, the contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. You have scored between $80 and $150 worth of products you will enjoy and love. There is a card in here, and then the products in the retail price, which I will put aside. And of course, I've seen it, you know, all the videos. I just couldn't wait. So I know there's an item in here that I have to figure out how I'm going to word. So it's got all the little thingies in here. And the first thing is by Teamy Detox Mask Green Tea Blend. And I am just getting so many masks because they're like my favorite thing. This is what it looks like, but these are my favorite masks. I don't like the peel off masks because I end up peeling off my face. And of course, let's see if I can just see it in there. So this is what it looks like, but these are a wash off, so I really tend to use those. I really like them, and you can definitely feel or see the glow after you use a mask. So when I get back, I am going to be doing a bunch of maskings that I'll show you, and if I get up enough, I don't know what it is, nerve, whatever, to do a live stream and do a mask, but I don't know if I'm ready for that. The next thing, oh, it's the product. This is the Vivi Serum, and this serum is used in the female part. And I don't really know why it's a big deal, because all of us females have the female part that we need to pay attention to. So this is what it looks like, and it's a very pretty container. So I guess you just, I'm not sure if it's kind of like a wash type of thing, or if you wash it off. It says, for best results, lightly dry the V and apply small drop of the serum. The perfect base, what's it? Perfect base for VV cream. Use daily as part of your beauty. So I'm assuming you rub it on and you leave it on. Clean skin, like any product. So this will be interesting. Yeah, and I don't think this is a product that you actually could put in a giveaway if you wanted to. I'm not sure. So looking forward to trying that. The next item is a eyeliner by Kaylin. Now, this morning when I put my makeup on, I used my Barbie palette. I just love, it's by Pure. I just love this palette. And then I tried the Hank and Henry. Would we get that in a BoxyCharm, I think? And it was a disaster. It's a really nice liquid eyeliner, but unless you can do it straight across your eye, I had it all over. So of course the one eye came out good and the one eye not so good. Nothing against the product, it's just you need to have a steady hand. So since I just opened that, I won't be opening this one yet. But I always appreciate eyeliners because I keep trying to use them and to try to get better and better, and the better the eyeliner I thought could help me. I am trying to get you situated so that you're straight because I'm kind of leaning again. And then we have a Pop and Glow Out of Sight Art Eye Mask. Now how fun is this going to be to use? A little comic on the back. So yes, looking forward to an eye mask. All right. You guys are just leaning forward. If you can watch me and kind of lean that way, maybe that'll work. Then there is the Milani Mills Hollywood Rose Gold Gleam Body Radiance. So I guess this is something that's going to go a body cream and you're going to glow. So that is kind of nice. And make sure there's nothing else in here because there's so many of those little curly things. Is a palette. Can never get enough palettes. This is the, out of my blind, it's by the Beauty Group, and it's the Dawn Gazing Eyeshadow Palette. I am just gonna have to go get some glasses here. So let's check that out. Of course, I'm destroying it. It's a really pretty case. The box did not survive the unpackaging. Sorry about that. And they wrap it in my favorite. Oh, this is gonna drive me crazy. All right. So this is the pretty outside. And the beautiful inside. So that really is, there's a bunch of mattes, which is really nice to get. And then this Pandora, that red shade. Now, I'm not going to swatch this because I am going to do a giveaway. So up until December 31st, the end of the year, I love my YouTubers. I want to show appreciation. So every time that a video hits 500 views, I am going to give away an eye palette. And this is the first eye palette. So as soon as any video hits 500, I will do a random comment picker for that video to give away this palette. It's beautiful, but as you see, I just got like a Jeffree Star palette. I got my Barbie palette. I just don't want these beautiful palettes to sit there and not get used. So I will give this away as a giveaway, and then once this goes, I will add another palette. So if I have to go buy them, if I get them out of a box, there will always be a palette to the end of the year for a giveaway to any of my videos that reach 500 views. So let me know what you thought of this video. Leave comments. Let me know if you get this box, what you thought of the Vivi Serum. And as always, you guys have an awesome day, and thanks so much for watching.